all the time.
So for all you Dodge guys out there, here's a 140,000 mile Cummins getting pulled by the old 6.4 with 300,000 miles. That's how I'm gonna end it. Roll the footage from today. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. Just gonna do a quick little rundown. I've got a bunch of messages asking why I haven't uploaded, where the next upload is, so I figured I'd just do a quick little rundown. This is just gonna be a super fast video, and it probably isn't gonna amount to anything, but it's just an update on everything going on. I'm probably gonna take the rest of the week and weekend off. The kids and I might go four-wheeling on Saturday if I finish up the Jeep tomorrow, but I'm not really sure. So it might be a video for Sunday. If not, we're gonna jump back into it probably Monday or Tuesday of next week. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and just bear with. So a lot of times, much like my vehicle situation, I got so much that I need to get done in my own house and in my own personal life that I've kind of been procrastinating, and it's kind of like pushing it back, which then makes it harder to be able to complete like my Jeep axle. I want to just go ahead and get the Jeep back together, but I just have so much stuff going on right now that I think it's just best that I pull myself from YouTube for a little bit. I still might post on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, now's a good time to do it. I might post on there daily, maybe do some updates on some things that are going in here, maybe do some for sale posts. I do have the tan leather interior out of the F450. Maybe I'll do some for sale post in my gallery or story. So definitely, if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely do it now. Senate_Steve, as you see on the screen here. But I've just got to get caught up with so much that's going on right now with having a new place coming. There's a bunch of things that I need to do, so don't miss me too much. I will be back, I promise you, and just bear with me. So first thing you see here is a new winch. So Danny from Slow Restoration ended up bagging into the XJ over here, knocking the winch cover off, which caused a short in the winch. So that winch is actually no longer working. It is what it is. So we got a new winch for this. I'm actually going to go ahead and figure out why that one's not working. I'll run down and show you real quick. All right, as you can tell here, so he ended up hitting it. I'm sure you guys have seen this thing, you know, in a lot of pictures and kind of floating around in the video, but Danny backed into it. So this portion right here ended up shorting out. It's not really a big deal. There is a little cover that goes over it, and obviously once it got wet, it just sort of made it a mess. So we're gonna get a new winch for this, and if I can fix this winch, we're gonna actually put this winch on the ramp truck. So it's sort of a win-win. The ramp truck, I want to redo the sides. As you guys do know, with this truck, we got the aluminum sides on the side over here. I want to go ahead and actually get steel for it because I think it'll be a lot stronger. If you can see, like right here, it has some ripples on it. I hate that look. I want it to be a nice clean look. We'll do the arches, but just stay tuned for that. That'll probably be like in the summer. Josh's trailer, I put a little clip in at the very beginning. As you've seen, we had to go pick up my buddy's Cummins. So for all you Dodge guys out there, here's a 140,000 mile Cummins getting pulled by the old 6.4 with 300,000 miles. That's how I'm gonna end it. Roll the footage from today. The F450, yes, a bunch of questions have been, does it still have blow by? Yes, it does, but it does run and drive right now, so that's what matters. I'm still working with, I believe it's J&K engines. They're out of like North Carolina or South Carolina, and we're gonna go ahead and put a good 6.4 back together for this truck. The 6.0 got an oil leak. I'm kind of at my stress level with this one here. You guys know whenever I get done with a truck or get tired of a truck, I just let it sit and I move on to another project, which is probably terrible, but it's just something that I've always done. Whenever I get frustrated, I just let it sit, park it, and move on to something else. But this truck here, I still got to wire the taillights up. I don't even think they're bolted in. Yeah, they're just kind of like sitting in here. So I got to actually wire taillights up and everything for this truck too, which I absolutely forgot about until I drove it. But yeah, we got to get taillights and everything. I got to get the oil leak fixed. It's got to get in alignment. So if there's any diesel shops other than Performance Diesel Warehouse, please reach out to me. Only reason I say Performance Diesel Warehouse is they don't have an alignment shop. I want to just drop this thing off, get it aligned, get the oil leak fixed, pick it back up, and be ready to rock, ready to roll. I'll end up probably fixing the taillights in that myself, or if they want to go ahead and just run the wires up, whatever, it's not a big deal. But looking for a diesel shop near me that can go ahead and take on the 6.0 here, because I just don't have the time to finish it. Plus there's snow on the ground now, it's cold out, I don't want to mess with it. The white car here, I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. I know I've been saying that for a while. A buddy of mine said he would do it for a couple dollars, so I might end up just dropping it off at his place and having him do it. Who knows? But we've got to get this car done. GTA, as you guys do know, we're waiting on that one. 4Runner, I'm probably going to sell it here soon. I don't really need the 4Runner anymore with the XJ being done, so who knows? We're just kind of clicking through. Moving up top here, as you guys do know, there's no more vehicles in my grass, in my yard, so that's a huge step for the codes violations and everything that's going on. Glad that everything's kind of up from up here. I do still have to get rid of the cap up here. There's a tire, then there's a spare axle out of that roller or van that I bought. That's up there, and then I just got to finish scrapping out the scrap metal here. So top of the yard looks great. They're allowing me to park the RV there, which, drop a comment down below, guys. Should I buy the RV off of my parents, yes or no? They gave me a little bit of an offer for it. I'm not really sure if I want to do that quite yet, but look for in the future, we might end up buying that off my parents and just kind of seeing, maybe doing a rebuild series on it. I don't know. You guys let me know if it's something that you guys would be interested in seeing. I don't know. I don't even know how bad it is. I know it's in pretty bad shape. I haven't been up there other than when I drove it up there. I don't know. It could be way more project than I want to do, but let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see with that. Then leading over here to the Corvette. All right, leading over here to the Corvette. Don't mind the dog mess over here. If you guys don't know, we did end up getting another Husky. So we got Diesel now, and then we've got Raina over here. Great dogs. This dog doesn't run away. I love it. She can actually kind of be out here and roam. Diesel, however, he will still run away, even with her not running away. So we got to keep Diesel on a leash, unfortunately. But Raina's a pretty good dog. So the vet over here, I have two different plans that we might end up doing on it. I'm not 100%. I've honestly been thinking about doing a Barra swap on this. Now, I know that's going to kind of stir up the pot with all the Ford and GM guys, but I've kind of want to do something different with this car. The car's kind of in rough condition, so it's not like it could ever be perfect for what it is unless I put way too much money into the car. The tub and everything's good. However, you know, body panel fitment and all that stuff is kind of rough on it. And I don't know that I want to spend a bunch of money to get this thing back together. However, I think it would be a cool donor vehicle to put like a cool swap in. So let me know in the comment section down below. Do you guys want to see this stay the Corvette and keep plugging and chugging? Or should we just go ahead and do like some kind of cool, maybe a 2JZ swap? I know Cooper just did that with a Camaro, but what do you guys want to see done here? Let me know in the comment section. But that's going to go ahead and wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys later next week in more videos. We got to fix the Jeep too, so that video will be coming out early next week, and then we'll roll into everything else. Take care, guys. Have a great one.